Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on a Ford EcoSport. So if your Ford look like this, doesn't matter what, this one is 2020, but if it look like this, it doesn't matter the year, it's gonna be the same thing. Even for the older one, it'll probably be the same thing. So first what we're gonna do is take the wheel off. Should be 19mm to take the wheel off. So it's making like a roaring sound, so that's why I'm changing the hub bearings on this car. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this channel together. So 19mm. So yeah guys, just knocked my camera down, but I got it. And also I take off the tire, and what we're gonna do next is take off everything that touching the spindle, because we're gonna need to take that off. You want to look around this, see how the threading set up on the CV axle, because we're going to need to take this bolt off, the axle nut off, and we need to take this off. We need to take off the brakes caliper, and we also need to take out the ABS sensor, which is going to be right here. And then we need to take off the ball joint, which is going to be right here. So it looked like this car been in an accident, so maybe that's why, yeah, that's why the hub is bad and such a new car, because it's been in an accident. You can see this right here. So let's get started in that. So the next step, what we want to do is get our WD-40 like this. You want to spray in there, spray in there, spray that around. We can already take that off, but we're gonna spray that, take that off. We're spraying that too, and this right here, we're spraying that for the brakes. And now what we're gonna do is just get a hammer. You can see somebody already knocked this, so maybe they changed something here. Maybe they changed the strut or something. I don't know what they changed, but somebody already take this off. You can see a hammer knock right there. So this shouldn't be that hard to come off, because it looked like somebody tried taking it off. Also, let me spray some here if I didn't. So just letting it soak for a little bit. So this is gonna be 18mm on this side, 16mm on this side, 18mm right here. So you can just take these out. And this one right here is 10mm, so you can just take that out, move the brake line out the way, just put it back so you don't lose it. This one is another 10mm, and we're gonna get a big hammer for right here. This have a little lip, so we can hit here with a hammer too, so it won't damage anything, it won't damage the threading. Same thing for right here. So let's do that and get it out of the way. So you can see it come out really easy. You might have to knock it real hard. So now that we do that, we're gonna hold the wheel, turn it all the way like this, so we can get access to these two screws right here. One right here, one right here. So you can see we take one out, 15mm. They are 15mm, so that's good. Now I just need to hook the caliper up. This is just something I make. Even though they sell them, they call brake caliper hook, but I made that one, so I'm using it. So it's worked good for me. All right, so now that's good. You might have to get a hammer, knock around here to get the rotor to come loose. But it seems like this is a newer vehicle and somebody take it off before, it looked like, so it doesn't it's not loose, it's not tight. So now since we take that off, what we're gonna do now is take out our ABS sensor, which is right here. So this right here gonna be 8mm to take out, just like that. You can keep this, just put it where you don't lose it. So that's good so far. We can leave that hanging right there, or we can just tie it up right here. Not a big deal if it stay like that. So far everything is good. The next thing we're gonna do is take out this right here, the oxy nut. So for the ball joint, this bolt right here, you just gotta take it out. This side over here will be, for the nut will be what it was, 15mm. So it's gonna be 15mm. This is gonna be 13mm. Take that out. And the oxy nut, you just want to take it out as far as right here because it's stuck, so you gotta knock it, and you want this to be there to protect the thread. And also you want to spray some WD-40 on the ball joint so it'd be easy to come out, and spray some more in there. So let it sit for a little bit. Once it sit, what you can do is use the back of the hammer because it's softer. Not working, you can get a piece of board, put it right here and knock it. Alright, so it's going in now. What we're gonna do is screw it out some more. Now it's like this, I don't want to knock it, so I gotta screw it out. And since I move it, it should be easier to move now. So I'm going to continue with the back of the hammer. Still not moving, so I'm going to get a board because I don't really want to knock this. So this is what we're working for. Now we can move it like that.
Yeah, the further she put gas, the car started making noise.
So now we need a hammer. Just a small one. To take those out. Alright, so now we get these out. So now we take the CV axle out. Now we'll just take this out. So now this bearing got to be pressed. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's not feeling good. Sounding good. So that bearings have to be pressed in. So we're gonna send it to the machine shop to press it in. But guess what, guys? If you order a used bearing, like from a junkyard or somewhere, they might sell it like this, or even somewhere might sell it like this, and then you can just repeat the process. You don't have to sit and wait on it to come back. Alright, so I'm gonna sit and wait on this one to come back. Once this one come back, we will continue with this.